The SAP landscape is evolving rapidly, with Clean Core at the center of it all. But the question is, who should you work with to help you get your custom code ready for a clean core? Hello, my name is Jagdish Sahasrabudhe, Chief Technology Officer with smartShift. Today, companies are navigating a maze: RISE, Greenfield, Brownfield, and legacy systems. All the while trying to get to a clean core, many are juggling multiple conflicting priorities, like managing legacy systems, moving to S4 or RISE, custom code, and business requirements. You need a partner who has decades of expertise helping companies de-risk and accelerate their code transformations. smartShift is that partner. It's not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing process that streamlines business requirements and paves the way for smoother transitions to RISE or S/4HANA. smartShift excels in making this process simple and seamless. With over 3 billion lines of code modernized and more than 3,300 solutions delivered, smartShift is a proven partner for SAP's Clean Core initiative. Our automation-driven approach not only increases efficiency, but also significantly reduces the risks of manual processes. Our approach is tailored to each customer's journey, delivering a complete custom code inventory and roadmap for seamless transitions. With 14 patents and ISO certification, smartShift minimizes risks with 99.99% precision, ensuring safe and fast transformations. We don't just automate, we partner with you through your entire SAP Clean Core journey, providing architectural roadmaps for long-term success. Our fixed price, fixed timeline approach reduces costs by eliminating significant hours of manual labor and testing. The bottom line is, you can't afford not to have smartShift be part of your journey to SAP Clean Core. We have worked with SAP's largest customers. Our proven solution and decades of expertise will provide you with the peace of mind and guaranteed results you need.